students, so today we are going to discuss the next topic of the chapter, and the name of the topic is RNA world hypothesis. The RNA world hypothesis, in this theory I am going to explain you that how the life is originated on the earth from the out of the basic chemistry. The RNA molecule is proliferated before the evolution of DNA molecule as well as proteins. So RNA is formed from basic inorganic molecules, and it can formed into the complexed molecule which can perform both the tasks like encoding the information as well as the physical task. So both the tasks are performed by the RNA molecules. RNA molecule is also catalyze the information, it catalyze the chemical reactions. It means it is also work like a protein molecule, because whatever the chemical reaction is going on inside the organism, it is also catalyzed by the RNA molecules. And in this process, the ribozyme RNA act as a ribozyme enzyme which perform the task of DNA as well as protein. So RNA encodes information, RNA transmit the information, as well as it is working like a genetic material. So first time that the term RNA world hypothesis is given by the scientist Walter Gilbert in 1986. RNA world hypothesis also states that the RNA has the capacity, RNA world hypothesis supported by ability to store, transmit and duplicate the genetic information. It means the RNA molecule has the ability to store the information, transmit the information, as well as it can make the duplicate copies of genetic information. It means it can also replicate. So all these things are, this theory states that all these properties are present in RNA molecule. So student, RNA can act as ribozyme, which means that RNA perform both the task. It is behaving like DNA also as well as enzyme. So working of DNA, जो भी DNA के function है वो भी ribozyme कंडक्ट करता है, परफॉर्म कर लेता है, एज वेल एज जो भी एंजाइम्स के फंक्शन है वो भी राइबोजाइम एक्ट करता है. सो वी कैन से दैट राइबोजाइम विच परफॉर्म बोथ द टास्क, DNA as well as enzymes. It is also believed that the RNA have the capability to support the life. So RNA has the capacity to support the life. That is why it is also known as the first hereditary molecule. And RNA, we all know that RNA is unstable in nature as compared to the DNA. So RNA is unstable in nature. That's why there are some limitations. है ना? There is some limitation in performing the life support. So because RNA is much more reactive in nature, that's why यहाँ पर क्या हो गया, एक limitation आ गई जिसकी वजह से maybe RNA cannot support the life of an organism, and that's why the place of RNA took over by the DNA. So इसीलिए बाद में maybe जैसे जैसे evolution हुआ होगा, during the time when the evolutions happened, the DNA will take over the place of RNA. And I hope student यहाँ तक आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा. So that DNA will take over the place of RNA. और धीरे धीरे evolution के बाद क्या हुआ, DNA ने RNA का place ले लिया.
So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.